Body double your work, anything where you want to, you go get them if you want. No go shisha oh, stop living fake life. Ororo no be good boy, Pussycat no be tiger, monkey at the chimpanzee. Walk you, ọ̀rẹ́ mi tẹpá mọ́ṣẹ́ o. Walk you, watch your go to be your body o. Walk you, ọ̀rẹ́ mi múra sí iṣẹ́ o.
To make straight cross sweep or miter cuts, transversely, horizontally, or obliquely, respectively, of building planks, you can use a ruler to draw straight lines with a pencil, pen, marker, marking gauge, or knife. You may clamp the wood to a table or hold it firmly in place to ensure that most of your efforts go into cutting and not jumping about or blank. The type of handsaw used by most Nigerian carpenters is okay for cutting, but an electric jigsaw is less strenuous if you can afford it and have stable electricity to use it reliably. The jigsaw was over 10 times the price I bought the handsaw. Here I'm using the handsaw to make a cross cut. You can start by making a few backward strokes if you have difficulties with the last 4 strokes. Make sure your body is out of the way of the saw at the end of the cut. Here I'm making other cross cuts with a jigsaw. Jigsaw saves you the effort of making the 2 and 4 handsaw movements with your hand, but you still have to hold it in place and ensure it's cutting in the right direction away from you. Here I'm making a whip cut parallel to the wood's longitudinal axis along the grain of the wood with the handsaw. You'll notice the characteristics of different kinds of wood when you use a handsaw to cut across, cross cut, or along whip cut. They are going by yourself. You can easily make a whip cut with the jigsaw, which is what I just did here. For miter cuts, you can use an isosceles right angle triangle or a protractor to mark lines making 45-degree angles with the sides of the wood. Here I quickly use the handsaw to cut along the marked 45-degree line. The resulting cuts are suitable for making miter joints in frames, boxes, and so on, where 2 pieces of wood need to be joined to form your right angle at this 90 degrees. And you can of course use a jigsaw to make miter cuts, which I quickly just did here as well. Thanks for watching, and always remember that it's not for results.